Did you know that Bilibili has its own creator monetization system? In 2026, creators can earn money by publishing original content through Bilibili's Creator Incentive program. But there is an important difference between simply having a Bilibili account and actually being eligible for monetization. According to Bilibili's current creator guidance, your account needs to have creator benefits level 3 or higher, and your credit score must be at least 80. Once you qualify and are accepted into the program, eligible original videos can generate incentive income. And Bilibili does not simply use a fixed payment for every 1,000 views. Your earnings can depend on factors such as content quality, popularity, engagement, and other platform metrics. So if you're thinking about starting on Bilibili, don't focus only on views. Focus on building an original content channel, growing your account level, maintaining a good credit score, and creating content people actually want to watch. Bilibili could become another important platform for creators in 2026. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly what you need to reach level 3.